on the second Thursday of October. Meron po tayong bagong lesson sa ating School of Christ entitled Foundations in the School of Christ. We are encouraging, especially yung mga nakatapos ng Discipleship 101 and 201 to enroll these foundations sapagkat alam ko meron tayong foundation sa ating 101 pero iba din yung foundation na dapat makita natin sa School of Christ. As I have said, we need to be conscious sa dalawang phase ng Christianity natin. The first phase is the receiving of Christ and the second phase is the revelation of Christ in us. So we have the foundation that Christ is received. So it's also important on the other side of our Christianity that Christ, our life, is revealed into us. So that's the thing na atong ginapaningkamutan through the help of the Holy Spirit na ma-achieve nato sa atong ginatawag na School of Christ. Another important announcement this October 21, that is Sunday, alas 2:30 hangtod alas 6 sa hapon. Tanan nga born again Christian sa General Santos City at doon na kita'y panaghiusa nga panagsimba dinha sa gym. Although musimba gihapon ta sa buntag diri sa atong local churches, ngunit lahat ng mga born again Christians sa buong General Santos City ay magkaroon tayo ng iisang pagsamba sa Panginoon. And if you have a schedule October 21, please cancel, although you are not required. Pero if you think na Pastor Tam gusto ko makiisa bilang anak ng Diyos sa sambahan ng Diyos sa October 21, please mark your schedules sapagkat doon tayo together with your pastor, doon tayo sa gym, sa Lagao Gymnasium, and we will celebrate together. The poster is at the back. It is entitled Church in Gathering. So if you are a part of the Church of God, of course, you will have the desire to attend this big event. So that's October 21. Let's bow down our heads as